the extendable boom is a must for us. Anybody that I feel that has a skid steer, that is such a huge advantage for the reach. When you're working the roadway and we can reach in, dump over the guardrail or reach up into higher places, it's a huge advantage, I believe. My name is Eric Fouquet, and I'm the manager of Big Wheel Towing and Recovery in East Freetown, Massachusetts. We've been in business since 1980. We're a heavy-duty towing and recovery operation. We do all the big truck accidents out on the highways, the roadways. In 2008, we had bought a brand new 8040 mini excavator. We ran it up to this year. Then we bought a new 55Z excavator to replace it, and we have the JCB Teleskid. Actually, I saw it on I believe, Facebook, and I said, wow, that's what we need. That's really handy. We can get the extra reach for in our business because we need to load roll-off cans or tri-axle dump trucks. And I know the other skid steers that I've owned, I had a hard time reaching up into them. There's so many benefits. Just even loading snow, stacking snow, we could reach up, dump the snow a lot higher. I just did a job out on the highway where we had to dump dirt behind a guardrail from an environmental fuel spill. I could reach behind the guardrail where the trench was. I could dump 3 feet on the other side of the guardrail, which was huge for us. What we had to do before the Teleskid is just kind of make it work. We had to build a ramp. We had to dump a load of dirt so we could get up on the dirt before we could dump into a tri-axle because I didn't have the lift. It was a lot more difficult. No, I just appreciate what JCB has done for our industry. They've seen things that other competitors have not seen, like the extra reach on the extender. The Teleskid here is huge for our industry as far as reach and versatility. And the side entrance to the cab, I think, is huge instead of stepping over the front bucket. And I found with this machine, the visibility is so much better than any machine. You got 360-degree visibility for safety for your workers that I find is very important. Oh yeah, the dealer support for Northland JCB is a 10. I would recommend JCB before I could recommend any other skid steer that I've ever ran, and I've ran them all. I would tell them if you're in the market for a skid steer, I would definitely buy the JCB for the versatility, the Teleskid for the reach, and just the way the platform is. The machine is very stable, doesn't bounce at all like our other one. It's just an excellent machine to for the towing and recovery business, and I can see the construction business. The power is second to none. I just feel that you're gonna sell a lot of these Teleskids because I think this is the future. I'll never go back. After owning that piece of equipment, I could never go back to a regular skid steer because just of the advantages that the Teleskid offers. You can never go back after operating one of these JCB Teleskids.